I'm saying I gossip, but it's probably not really mine. But I also got this one. This one I will say is masculine. It's spicy, but it's mild. It's more masculine than unisex. Okay, so this is what about it. They all look so cute, and it comes in a canvas type bag. This one is a Latafa Hayam Team. Rolling, I believe. Let me see if I can get. Okay. This one I'm going to say is more masculine. Yeah, it's giving masculine. There's no floral to it. The spice is not that strong. Yeah, it's more masculine. It's more masculine. I'm definitely going to be smelling confusing tonight. Confusion. This one is masculine. Ooh, it tells the dates was produced and it tells the expiration date as well. What? The expiration date is 2028 September. Wow. This is how it's looking. Girl, if you're looking for a spray to get your man this for his birthday. If you're looking for a spray that's to give to your man on a random day, get your man this one. Yeah. 10 out of 10 for a man. Men, if you're looking for something to get your woman, and it's on Amazon. Get your woman this. For a birthday, for a random gift, get her this. And it's not expensive.